What the Sigma? What the heck? Give me back my barbacoa. Hand it over. Give it. Here. Come on. Yeah. Sentimental flashback sequences? No. I'm done. Barbacoa is not. Let's fight! For now. You're on. Hey! Good work. Really good work. Haha. Say what? You really think you can't get me barbacoa? Look at my knife! It's so cool! Pick it up! I'm not gonna give you barbacoa. Never, ever, 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 ever. Why'd you ruin this? Oh no! Barbacoa is mine. For me. You always thought you could keep it for yourself. But you can't. Go, keep the barbacoa for yourself. You do well. You know we will meet again, right? Yes. Hasta luego. From the screen to the ring to the pen to the king. Where's my crown? That's my blame.